Hello, good day everyone. I'm Zura, a tour guide from Tbilisi Free Walking Tours, and let me present one of our iconic site of Tbilisi. And this is the mountain Mtatsminda, or the Holy Mountain. So it is a very old center of the city, which had a beautiful forest, but it was destroyed and burned in the end of 18th century, and the forest was recreated on the top of the hill from 20th century. A special story is related to this top of the hill, because in the beginning of 20th century, particularly in 1903, the city authorities decided to create a special district for prominent people, the quarter of villas, and that's why you see there is a line stretching for all the length of the mountain, and that one is a railway or a funicular. So in 1905 the construction of funicular was ended, and they opened the funicular as the way that would connect to two parts of the city, the richer quarters and the original part of the city. But if you go up there, you won't see any kind of villas there, because communists came very soon in power with the revolution, and they of course stopped all kinds of projects that was related to rich people. Simply, rich people either were captured or they just fled the country. So that's why there is no the rich quarter on the top of the hill. But funicular works till today. So what you will see upwards if you go there, there is amazing amusement park on the top of the hill called Bombora, and also you will see a very beautiful restaurant there that is called Funicular. That restaurant was built by communists in order to show off with international guests here, like Margaret Thatcher has been there, as well as Fidel Castro, Queen Margrethe II of Denmark, and so on and on. So everyone was very much fascinated with that restaurant, and that would create the image of whole city, how well off people lived here. The height of the hill is 400 meters, which means that they would not simply see what was going downstairs here. So because the city looks very tiny from the top of the hill. So that was this optical illusion why communists created such a beautiful and rich restaurant to deceive the international guests. Next to the restaurant, you also see the TV tower, the 277 meters height TV tower that overlooks the city, and as the government promised, they are going to make the restaurant so open public place for the people. So let's see when it comes out. As for our particular recommendation, we advise you to go up to the funicular in the evening hours to see the night side of the city, 360 degrees view. And of course, do not forget to go and to follow the link of donation to support us with what you can, and we all wish you the best of health and luck. So take care and see you here.